Shake. Now Emma. Okay, Demetra. So shake your hips. Yep. Hands on your hips. Good. Now reach. Now you do that. Yep. Now you're going up the steps, right? You get back in your line, and then you're doing your things. Yep. Slower, slower, Em. Jump. Now switch lines. Yep. Jump up again. Now shake your hips as you bring your arms down. Walk right step, right, left, right. Same step. Now point. Side to side. Hands on your hips. Do the no, no, no. Reach. Oh my gosh. Now you're just walking forward, Demetra. All right. Big arms. Right up, Em.